Hello guys, welcome back to DIY MLO. I have seen many people struggling to update their driver software, and also they tend to download it from unknown source from the internet, which may be dangerous in terms of security. So today in this video I'll tell you how you can download the official driver through the official website and also how to install it. So just stick around and let's start the video. Here we are at my Windows screen. And firstly we're gonna go and check if there is any Windows update or not. So for that, go to the start and click the setting and go to the Windows update. Now here you can check for Windows update. For now I don't have any updates, so I'm gonna move on, but if you find any update, then take your time and let it get updated. These are normally essential fixes and protection related updates, so get it updated regularly. Secondly, we'll go to the start, right click and go to the device manager. Here you can see there are different types of drivers are there for the computer to run properly. Let me show you with an example how you can update your driver here. I'm gonna select the sound, videos and game controllers, Realtek audio driver, click update driver and then search automatically for drivers. And what this gonna do is it's gonna search automatically from the internet for the driver. And there is no audio update for this Realtek audio, so I'm gonna close this one. Updating drivers through device manager often doesn't work, but it'll let you know all the driver available in your system, and you can even disable, enable or uninstall your driver here in device manager. This was the second way of updating your drivers. Now let's go for the third one. The third method is the best one of all. And let me tell you something, that it will work in everyone's computer, whether it is from different companies. The steps for installing drivers are nearly same for all companies. So just follow the steps one by one. So the first step will be, you have to go to setting and check for your device serial number. Here mine is AN515-58, and then just close this setting window. Now we have to use browser, and I'm gonna use Chrome. You can even use Mozilla Firefox if you want. And the next step will be, you have to search for your company website. I'm gonna type in acer.com, which is my company name. After typing in your company website, we have entered to our company website, which is Acer, and we're gonna go to support page. Then we'll click drivers and manual, and we have to enter our serial number, which we have seen earlier, which was AN515-58. So this is the support page for my device. Here we can see there are 27 driver update, 4 documents update, 7 BIOS update and 3 application update. What we're gonna do here is we have to look for the date. If you have purchased your device currently and have not done any modification, then you can directly go ahead and download all the driver update from this page. But if you have done any modification or any update earlier from this page, then you can check for the date and go ahead and download with the earlier date. According to my device, here are some important ones and some are not that important. So first one is airplane mode. I'm not gonna download this one. Audio driver, and the second one and the third one both are audio driver. So second one is the earlier one. It was released on June and another one on April, so I'm gonna download the June one. Audio console driver, which is important. Bluetooth driver, this is also important. Chipset driver, which is important. Dynamic platform and thermal framework driver, it's important. Intel GNA driver, important. Serial IO driver, important. Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver, important. Intel Rapid Storage Technology, this is also important. LAN driver, important. LAN utility, this is also important, we can download this one. ME, which is management engine, this is also important, we can also download this one. Touchpad driver, we have to download this one too. And here we got plenty of VGA driver. So I have the RTX 3050, so I'm gonna download VGA driver RTX 3050 and leave all these 3070, 3060, 3070, 3050 Ti too. And we're gonna download VGA driver also. So VGA driver, this is not important. VGA driver for GeForce Experience, you can download this externally through GeForce Experience website. VGA utility, not that important. Wireless LAN driver, this is important for Wi-Fi. Xperia DTS utility, this is not that important, but we can download this for better audio quality. So I'm gonna go to documents now. There's no need of downloading all those stuff, just leave this document part, and let's go to BIOS. Here in BIOS we have got plenty of updates too, but we are not gonna download all the updates. We're gonna download the first one, which is the earliest one. It was released on 29 September 2022. The version is 1.11, which we have to download, and we have to update this one because it is the earliest one. And make sure you have to keep the battery percentage above 60% while updating, and you have to plug into. Now let's go to the application part, and we have 3 application software, which is the system software actually. This is for Acer Care Center, this is for NitroSense, which control the fans and all, and this is a quick access application which helps in accessing some of the features of this computer. So now you have got an idea how to download and where to download the driver. Now let's go and give you an example how you can actually download and install the driver. For that I'm gonna download quick access application. This is about 21.67 MB. Now the download has completed, and we have to go to file manager and go to the download section. Here in download folder we have quick access application in a zip file. So we are gonna need to extract this first, and I'm gonna extract using WinRAR. So extract here, okay, and here we have a extracted file. Now we are gonna go inside and click the setup. Now we are gonna just simply install it, and then we are gonna wait for some time and finish. The application has been installed successfully. This is how you can install any driver for your computer. So this is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked the video. Do comment down below what you think and any suggestion regarding this video or the next video. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.